All of you. Today our topic is very new for you. Actually, it is the grammatical part, but its use is very rare. Today we are going to learn about use of to be going to. Actually, to be is the to be's form. Before going to, we have to use the to be's form, and to be's form can be used according to the subject of the sentence. Now, when we use to be going to, actually going is the present participle of go, and it suggests to mention the continuous action, and it be used in the continuous tense. It may present continuous, it may past continuous, or it may future continuous. But actually we use to be going to express the nearest future. Actually, nearest future, to express the nearest future, we use simple future tense. But when we want to express the very nearest future, means the action will happen immediately, or the action is going to start very soon. In that time, we use to be going to instead of the simple future tense. Now, we are going to see in the examination or in our question paper, there is asked the question, there is given a sentence, and in bracket rewrite the sentence by using to be going to. Means when the such type of the instruction is given in the bracket, you observe the sentence, that sentence will be in the future tense. It will be in the simple future tense. So in that time we have to remove the helping verb or to be's form in the future tense, and instead of that you have to use to be's form according to the subject of the sentence, and after that we use going to. After to, the verb will come in the original form. Now look at this example. I shall write my autobiography. So we have to remove the shall from here and use to be going to. The subject of the sentence is I. So after the I, here to be form will come am. After that going to, means the sentence will be I am going to write my autobiography. Then another sentence, she will take part in singing competition. So this sentence is also in the simple future tense, and here is the to be form will, and instead of will we have to use to be going to. The subject of the sentence is she, and after she the to be form will come is. After that going to, means after removing the will, the sentence will be she is going to take part in singing competition. Then another example, he will build a building. Here is the subject is he, and will is to be form, and this sentence is in the simple future tense. We have to remove will, and instead of will we have to write the to be going to. The subject of the sentence is he, therefore here will come the to be form is, after that going to, and the sentence will be he is going to build a building. So in this way we can use to be going to in the sentence to express the nearest action in future. Now find such type of the examples in your textbook and try to replace or try to use the use of to be going to. It is very easy to understand and it is very easy to score the marks. Means very simple, means grammatical forms or grammatical sentence, and we can get the marks easily on this topic. So therefore find such examples from the textbook and use the to be going to. Okay.